Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I want to do a video on the Apple AirPods. It's pretty cool. It looked like a floss container. It weighs a few ounces, very small. You could put in your pocket. Also, it has your charging port, and this is the back. It's pretty cool. When you open it up, you have your two pods. I feel like it's like a little magnet. Open it up. As you can see, the green light means it's fully charged. Take them out. That is the inside. Basically, they're out. And these are your pods. Pretty nice. They do have some aftermarket ones, but the Apple ones are officially awesome. You slide them into your ear. It looks just like this. The sound quality is amazing. Also, your talking sounds clear, beautiful. It's pretty cool. When you're done, put them back in, just like that, and it's all set. This little box hold charge. Seems like it has an internal battery, and it'll keep your pods charged. Real awesome. Well, that's about it. I want to give you a quick review on these pods. Excellent. Like I said, they do sell aftermarket ones. Not too good, but good enough. But the Apple ones are amazing. Well, like and subscribe. Thanks.